Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best safety essentials for your towing needs, the DLLRV trailer safety chains cables. Whether you're hauling a boat, an RV, or anything in between, these safety cables are designed to give you peace of mind on the road. Let's kick things off with why these cables stand out. Made by DLLRV, these are heavy-duty, 68-inch safety cables capable of handling up to an impressive 12,000 pounds of load per pair. That's reliability you can count on when towing your valuable cargo. Each cable comes equipped with a durable hook and includes two quick links for easy attachment. They're coated with vinyl, not just for protection against the elements, but also to make them easier to handle and use, even in challenging weather conditions. Now, what makes these safety cables the go-to choice? First off, they're designed for dependability. In the unfortunate event of a trailer disconnect, these cables help prevent complete separation from your vehicle, ensuring both your safety and that of others on the road. Their robust build and high load capacity mean you can trust them under tough conditions. Whether you're towing cross-country or just down the road, these cables are engineered to keep you securely connected. And let's talk about ease of use. The vinyl coating not only protects against rust and corrosion but also adds a layer of comfort when handling. It's a thoughtful touch that makes a difference, especially during setup and breakdown. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for top-tier safety cables for towing, look no further than the DLLRV trailer safety chains cables. They're durable, easy to use, and backed by a brand known for quality. Whether you're hauling for work or pleasure, these cables ensure you can hit the road with confidence. I highly recommend checking them out. And that's a wrap on today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with towing safety gear. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe.